Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about gender. So let's see what is a gender. So nouns based on gender can be classified as below. Masculine gender means male only. Second, feminine gender means female only. Common gender, both male and female. Neuter gender means non-living. Okay? So, nouns can be classified into four categories on the basis of their genders. First, masculine gender means when the noun is male only, means if the noun is person or animal and it indicates male, then it is masculine gender. Likewise, if the noun indicates female, okay, like girl, cow, buffalo, okay, then feminine gender. Common, both male and female, means it can be man or lady, like doctor, teacher. Fourth, neuter gender. Generally they are non-living things, okay, non-living objects. Let's try to understand masculine gender. Nouns that indicate male persons and animals are said to be in masculine gender. I repeat, nouns that indicate male persons and animals, okay, are said to be in masculine gender, like the king. Yes, the king is crowned with lot of celebrations. Next, the lion is considered to be the king of jungle. ये जंगल में सिंगल जेल. Okay. The boy in the room is my brother. Here, boy. Okay. So all these words in red color are masculine gender because they are indicating male. Okay. Next, female यानी feminine gender. Nouns that indicate female persons or animals, I repeat, female persons or animals are said to be in feminine gender. Okay? Like that lady is wearing a beautiful scarf. The actress got the Oscar nomination. Yeah, here in this figure you can say this is actress. So it is feminine gender. That cow gives 10 liter milk in a day. That cow gives 10 liter milk in a day. So cow is also your feminine gender. Okay. Third, common gender. Nouns that indicate both male and female. Yes, means that noun can be a male or female, are said to be in common gender. Like today we have a checkup from the doctor. Doctor may be male or female. The teacher got the prestigious award on Teachers' Day. It means that teacher may be a male or female, means a man or a lady. Which painter made this piece of art? Here painter. किस पेंटर ने इतनी अच्छी आर्ट बनाई है? तो पेंटर, that painter may be a man or woman. My friend is expert in maths. तो friend may be a girl or boy. Okay? As you can see in this picture, girls, boys, okay, both are celebrating the birthday. Neuter gender. Nouns that indicate to a living or non-living thing which is Neither male nor female is said to be in neuter gender. Yes, means it may be living or non-living, but they indicate neither male or female. ठीक है, is said to be in neuter gender, like the students are encouraged to go to library. एक्चुअली नॉन लिविंग भी है एंड लाइब्रेरी से जेंडर का कोई लेना देना, ये मेल है या फीमेल है. ओके, ट्रीज आर full of fruits. Okay, trees some in science considered as living. Okay, but here no matter of gender. Fruits, okay, no matter of gender. Likewise, can you please lend me your book? Non-living. They build their beautiful houses near valley. So houses and valley. So we can say in general neuter genders are non-living things, like these items in this picture you can see. Okay, food items, they all are non-living and neuter gender. I hope you have understood the concept. That's all for today. Thank you.